Hi everyone, my name is M.Alfur.leadershipWala and I welcome you all to my new video. Today we are going to discuss the ChatGPT about uh, the role of meditation in reducing stress and uh, anxiety. I hope you guys like this section because it's important topic for everyone to know. So we are going to start. Hi mate, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm also fine. I hope you also are doing fine. Uh, Today, I am going to ask you some questions. Are you ready for those? Like our main topic will be the role of meditation in reducing stress and anxiety.
Absolutely, I'm ready. Let's dive into the role of meditation in reducing stress and anxiety. What's your first question?
Okay, my first question is what is meditation and how does it help reducing stress and anxiety?
Meditation is a practice where you focus your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. It often involves techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or repeating a mantra. Meditation helps reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and improving emotional regulation. When you meditate, your body's stress response decreases, lowering cortisol levels, which are hormones related to stress. This can lead to a calmer mind, better focus, and an overall sense of well being.
Okay, so my next question is how does meditation affect the brain and the nervous system?
Meditation has several positive effects on the brain and nervous system. Here are a few key points. 1. Brain structure. Regular meditation can increase the density of gray matter in brain regions associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. 2. Brain activity. Meditation can enhance activity in areas of the brain related to positive mood and self awareness, such as the prefrontal cortex. 3. Stress response. Meditation helps regulate the autonomic nervous system, reducing the fight or flight response and promoting a state of relaxation. 4. Emotional regulation. It can strengthen the connection between the amygdala, involved in emotional responses, and the prefrontal cortex, leading to better emotional control. Overall, meditation can create a more balanced and resilient nervous system.
Okay, so my next question, what are the best type of meditations for beginners dealing with anxiety?
For beginners dealing with anxiety, here are some great types of meditation to start with. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on the present moment, observing thoughts and feelings without judgment. This helps increase awareness and reduce stress. 2. Breathing meditation. Focus on your breath, taking slow, deep breaths. This can calm the mind and reduce anxiety. 3. Guided meditation. Listen to a recorded meditation with instructions. This can be especially helpful for beginners as it provides guidance and support. 4. Loving kindness meditation, metta. Focus on developing feelings of compassion and love towards yourself and others. This can foster a sense of connection and reduce feelings of anxiety. Starting with these types of meditation can help build a solid foundation and ease anxiety.
And how long should I meditate daily to see real benefits?
To see real benefits, it's recommended to meditate daily for about 10 to 20 minutes. Starting with even a short period, like 5 minutes a day, can be beneficial. Consistency is key, so try to make it a regular part of your routine. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in stress levels, focus, and overall well being.
Okay, so my next question is can meditation reduce therapy or medication from anxiety?
Meditation can be a valuable tool for managing anxiety and can complement other treatments like therapy or medication. It can help reduce stress, improve emotional regulation, and provide a sense of calm. However, it's not a replacement for professional therapy or medication. especially in severe cases. It's best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate treatment plan for your specific situation. Meditation can be a helpful addition to support your overall mental health.
Okay, so my next question: what are the uh, scientific benefits of meditation on mental health?
Meditation offers several scientifically backed benefits for mental health. 1. Reduce stress. Meditation can lower cortisol levels, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. 2. Improved focus and attention. Regular practice enhances attention span and cognitive performance. 3. Emotional regulation. Meditation helps in managing emotions, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. 4. Better sleep. Meditation can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. 5. Increased self-awareness. Meditation fosters greater self-awareness and mindfulness, leading to better self-understanding. Overall, these benefits contribute to improved mental health and well-being.
Okay, so my next question is how does deep breathing in meditation help you to calm your mind?
Deep breathing in meditation helps calm your mind in several ways. 1. Activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Deep breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces the fight or flight response. 2. Reduces stress hormones. Slow, deep breaths help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. 3. Improves oxygen flow. Deep breathing increases oxygen intake, which energizes the body and mind, helping to clear mental clutter. 4. Enhances mindfulness. Focusing on your breath anchors you in the present moment, reducing anxiety about the past or future. 5. Promotes relaxation. Slow, controlled breathing can activate a relaxation response, calming the mind and body. Overall, deep breathing helps slow down your thoughts and brings a sense of peace to your mind.
And can meditation help with panic attack? If it does, then how?
Yes, meditation can help with panic attacks in several ways. 1. Calming the mind. Meditation techniques like mindfulness can help you stay present and reduce the intensity of panic symptoms. 2. Breathing techniques. Focusing on deep, slow breathing during meditation can help regulate your body's stress response and prevent panic from escalating. 3. Emotional regulation. Meditation helps improve emotional awareness and control, allowing you to respond more calmly during a panic attack. 4. Reducing anxiety. Regular meditation practice can reduce overall anxiety levels, making panic attacks less frequent and severe. While meditation can be a helpful tool, it's important to seek professional help if you experience frequent or severe panic attacks. They can provide tailored strategies and support for managing panic attacks effectively.
Thanks, mate. And my next question will be what are some simple meditation technique if I'm starting today?
Here are some simple meditation techniques to get you started. 1. Breathing meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. 2. Body scan meditation. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and slowly bring your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations or tension. 3. Guided meditation. Use a meditation app or online resource with guided sessions. Follow along with the instructions to help you stay focused. 4. Loving kindness meditation. Sit comfortably and silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy." Extend these wishes to others. 5. Mindfulness meditation. Sit quietly and focus on the present moment. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable.
And how can I stay consistent with the meditation as a daily habit?
Staying consistent with meditation as a daily habit can be challenging, but here are some tips to help. 1. Set a routine. Choose a specific time each day to meditate, like in the morning or before bed. Making it part of your daily routine can help it become a habit. 2. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. 3. Use reminders. Set a daily reminder on your phone or calendar to prompt you to meditate. 4. Create a quiet space. Find a peaceful place where you can meditate without distractions. 5. Stay patient. Building a habit takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep going, even if you miss a day. 6. Join a community. Consider joining a meditation group or using apps that offer guided sessions and community support. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be more likely to maintain a consistent meditation practice.
And what are common mistakes beginners make in meditation? Like if I start meditating from today, so what kind of mistake I do doing meditation?
It's great that you're thinking about starting meditation. Here are some common mistakes beginners make and tips to avoid them. 1. Expecting immediate results. Meditation is a practice that takes time. Be patient with yourself and allow the benefits to build gradually. 2. Being too hard on yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander. Gently bring your focus back without self-criticism. 3. Setting unrealistic expectations. Don't expect to meditate perfectly. It's okay to have an imperfect practice. 4. Skipping consistency. Regular practice is key. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. 5. Overthinking the process. Meditation is about experiencing the present moment, not about achieving a specific state. By being patient and gentle with yourself, you'll find meditation becomes a rewarding practice.
Thanks, mate. And I hope you guys also like this session because it was a very great and motivational video where we learn more about meditation because it's important uh, part of our life. We need to see world, or maybe we need to meditate because it's also good for our health. And I hope this section can improve your daily thought, or maybe if there might be some uh, missing parts, I hope you guys also can find it. If you are a beginner, then start doing it every day. Maybe it's important, maybe 1 day or 2 day, but it's not like that. You need to do it or maybe practice every day. So you need to make a good habit for your own self. That's it from my side. I hope you guys like the session, and Allah Hafiz. Thanks, ChatGPT.
I'm glad you found the session helpful. Meditation truly can make a positive impact on our lives. Remember, consistency